Hey there YouTube, sorry about the wind noise. Getting ready to do a review on this awesome super cleaning products that was sent to me. Not sponsored by the way, but they did send it to me to try out. So we're gonna see what we can do about these this dirty valve cover and dirty water pump. I was actually gonna clean the air conditioning compressor. I don't know if I can get you guys down in there. Maybe we'll try and clean that. It's hard to get a camera down there though to really see what it looks like, but anyways, I did try a little tiny spot here without you guys, and it seems to work pretty good. So got my garden hose, so we're gonna soak this down, so we're gonna clean the wheels, but we're gonna do one thing at a time. So let's go ahead and get this soaking here. You don't need to worry about the wiring harnesses. Be alright. Thank God damn birds aren't stalking me today. But anyways, all very nice stuff. Soak that down. It says to leave it for test and service, Let's see. I don't know. It says somewhere in there. So, anyways, we'll get that going and let that sit. And then, we'll give it a little bit more because this thing's pretty disgusting. 100, I don't know how many miles are on the motor since it was changed, but yeah. Alright, we'll come back in a few minutes, take the hose to it, see what happens. Holy crap, guys, look at that. Now you've seen what it looked like before I washed it. That's what it looks like after. That is amazing. I'm going to try the air conditioning compressor again. I didn't let that soak enough, but while that was soaking, I went ahead and did the wheels. That is amazing. See, let's look at the grungy back one. There's a grungy rear tire. Really nice and clean. Same thing on the other side here. That is amazing stuff. Okay. So I'm going to hit that air conditioning compressor again. But that is amazing. Let's see if I can get another. Okay, here we go. That's what it looked like beforehand, so I'm going to have to clean that. Now it looks like brand fucking new. That's amazing. That's just incredible. That blows my mind. Anyways, I'm going to finish this up a little bit here and I'll record some more video if I get the air conditioning compressor any cleaner. But I'm pretty impressed, we'll just say that. Very good stuff. Alright, well I decided actually there's a before and I just sprayed it. Now I'm going to spray that side. I'm also going to spray that tank because that's pretty nasty looking. And then I'll come back after I do that. Check that out. That looks brand new. Don't worry about it. Got missing pulp. That's no big deal. That is really nice stuff. That looks like brand new. Wow. Oh yeah, air conditioning compressor. It cleaned that up really. See if I can get the right angle down here. Wow, you can actually see the paint. Or the metal, I mean, on the compressor. That's awesome. Oh yeah, I'll show you. See? Oh, sorry. There we go. All very nice stuff. It cleaned up really well, even my overflow tank. That's really impressive. Alright, well, anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get this video out to you guys. Please go check out superclean.com. Very good stuff, very decent prices. So, yeah, there we go. So if any of you were doubting that I actually wore my super clean hat and super clean shirt, I was doing all that. I was. I just forgot to show it on camera right away, so this is the bonus footage. Alright, have a nice day. Please like, share, and subscribe. And have a great day.